Welcome back. Today we're going to estimate sums and differences. And when I say estimate sums and differences with decimals, I can do it one of two ways. So I'm going to look at how to subtract it first, and I'm going to say to the nearest whole number. Now, if I'm looking to the nearest whole number, I have to use my ones place to look for and my tenths place to tell me what to do. So, 22 and 84 hundredths, look for the number, I'm looking at the 2, go next door. 5 or higher, add 1 more. 4 or less, let it rest. What number did I go to? Right, the 8. 8 tenths. 8 tenths is going to tell this number to do what? Yes, I am going to round up 1. Okay. Again, find the number. I'm looking at my ones place. Go next door. 5 or higher, add 1 more. 4 or less, let it rest. So the 9 tells the 3. Right, it's going to move up. So 23 minus 14, I can count that up and say, start at 14 and count forward. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It's about 9. So 22 and 84 hundredths minus 13 and 97 hundredths is about 9. So let's look at some examples. I'm going to round to the nearest whole number because I see I have a whole number right here. So look at my ones place, find the number, go next door. 5 or higher, add 1 more. 4 or less, let it rest. What does this 8 tell the 2 to do? Right, it's going to go up. It's going to be a 23. Now, I can add 9 plus 3. It's 12. Good job. Put your 2, carry your 1. 2 plus 4 plus 1. Oh, you're so smart. It's roughly 72. Remember, when I estimate, I'm trying to get close to see, would this be a reasonable answer? Let's do it again. This time, I'm subtracting. So I'm going to say minus 18. Find the number. If I'm rounding to the nearest whole, I'm going to my ones place. Go next door. 5 or higher, add 1 more. 4 or less, let it rest. Right, it's going to go up. By how much? So the 6 becomes a, oh, you were too smart, a 7. Now we have to subtract. Can I get 8 from 7? Oh, I have to go next door, ask for more. I'm going to take a 10 and make this 8 a 7. And I'm going to give a 10. 17 minus 8, I can do that. 8 from 17 would leave me with 9. And 1 from 7 leaves me with 6. So your answer is roughly 69. Let's look at one more. Now, these are written sideways. So this helps me be able to round, but not to add or subtract. So I'm going to go to the nearest whole again. Find the number, look next door. 5 or higher, add 1 more. 4 or less, let it rest. This 1 tells the 9. Yeah, it's going to be 79. The 4 tells the 2. Oh, you're close. Remember, 4 or less, let it rest. So it's going to be a 32. So add it up. 9 plus 2, right? It's 11. Put your 1, carry your 1. 7 plus 3. Yep, it's 10. 10 plus 1. It's 11. So 79 and 1/10 plus 32 and 4/10 is roughly 111. All right, let's look at one more on how to subtract with decimals. I'm going to subtract. I'm going to go to my nearest whole again. It's easiest to subtract whole numbers. Find the number, go next door. 5 or higher, add 1 more. 4 or less, let it rest. So the 5 tells the 8 it's going to do what? Right, it's going to go up. It's going to go up by 1. 7 tells the 3. Right again. So 7 tells 3 to become a 4. So just subtract. 9 take away 4. 1 take away 2. You're right. I can't do that. Go next door, ask for more. 400 is going to give up 1. So it's going to become a 3. This 1 is going to get 10 added to it, so it's going to become 11. So 11 take away 2. Right, it's 9. And then 3 take away nothing is 3. So 418 and 5/10 minus 23 and 7/10 is roughly 395. I hope this has helped, and I'll see you guys again real soon.